Hey friends, I want to show you guys how to make rice using Pampered Chef's 3-quart Micro Cooker Plus. It's the only micro cooker that we have that you can do starchy things like pasta and rice. So I use this all the time because we eat a lot of rice in this house. So I've got 2 cups of jasmine rice in my rice cooker plus, and I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of Pampered Chef's Asian seasoning mix here. If you're not familiar with our seasonings, they're all gluten-free and they're kosher as well. I'm gonna add 4 cups of water. So the general rule is double the water to the rice. So 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. Pour this in. The 3-quart Micro Cooker Plus has 2 lids. So this is the inner lid. So you're gonna place the inner lid in first, and then you're gonna put the outer lid on the top, and then you have to lock these handles on the side, put this in the microwave for 20 minutes, and that's it, all done.